Hey there, Heath Rost with Personable Media, coming out to you with another video today. Today we're talking about the conversation of your Google ad to your website, and I will share my screen. Today we're going to look at, what are we going to look at today? Let's search for, so something that happens in Denver a lot is hail. So paintless dent repair is pretty big. So let's search for, well, we need to be in the mind of our customer too. So most people that know they need paintless dent repair aren't going to search PDR. So let's just do dent repair near me. See what we get. All right, so we get Rocky Mountain Dents. Does your vehicle have dents from hail or rude door openers? We pay your deductible. Check out our warranty, okay? Not terrible. We pay your deductible. It's an okay offer. Paintless dent repair, something bribe, we'll pay you. Seems really like a scam. Paintless dent repair, free pickup and delivery. I like that. Dent repair service, affordable dent removal. Okay, so this one's kind of generic, so I wouldn't pick that. This looks like a complete scam. It also says the word bribe in it. Like, this is probably the worst copy that I've ever seen on a dent repair ad, actually. And then, does your vehicle have dents? This isn't terrible. It's also the first one to show up. Looks like they have two meta things here, which helps their ad a little bit. They're also the first one to be at the top. So obviously a lot of people are clicking on that one, but of all these four, my favorite one is this one, paintless dent repair. It says dent repair. I don't know that I need paintless necessarily, but free pickup and delivery seems like a pretty good offer. So we're going to check out that one out. It's qualityoneDent.com. All right, so first thing that comes up is this COVID safety thing. Obviously, they want you to read this. Something about scheduling 1 hour apart, schedule now. Okay, honestly, they're throwing the schedule now right in front. However, it's not saying anything about the free pickup and delivery. So I'm not convinced. I'm not ready to schedule yet. So I'm going to get out of that. So then I land on this page and I see family owned, fine-tuned auto hail repair and auto body shop. We offer quality, affordable auto body repairs and customization backed by years of experience. Schedule today. Okay. So auto hail repair. So if my vehicle was struck by hail and I clicked on this ad that said free delivery, let's see what that ad said again. It said free pickup and delivery. So I would like it a little bit better if I saw something about free pickup and delivery when we repair your dents. It doesn't say that. So, oh, there's something up here at the top in really small. Free auto hail shield with all hail damage repairs. Okay, well, that's not what I was looking for. I'm kind of looking for this free pickup and delivery with a dent repair. And I might not have hail repair, but it says hail repair. If it said auto dent repair and auto body shop, that's one way that you could improve this headline. Another way would be to put what was in that offer in this right here. So two ways that you could improve the copy to work better with your Google ad right there. We'll go ahead and click schedule today, see what it does. Looks like it's going to a CarWise app. Opens up a new tab even, and then you want to get an estimate of repair costs, or you want to drop your vehicle off for repair, schedule an estimate, put in all your information. Yeah, okay. So the booking page here seems to be okay. However, as we discussed, could definitely improve both of these headlines to make more of a conversation from the Google ad to the website. So that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.